Hi guys, we're reviewing another set for you guys, and this set is it's the biggest one in the line for the 2023 Jurassic line. Of course, this line is not Jurassic World, it's Jurassic Park this year, and hopefully they'll do more Jurassic Park themed lines, like maybe they'll do a Lost World themed line, just Lost World based sets, or JP free sets, and that would be really cool. So let's get on to it. This set is based off a very, very, very iconic location after the Jurassic Park gate. Yeah, this is the second most iconic after the gate. The gate is the very iconic one, and this is the second most iconic. And this set is based off that, literally. So we have here the Visitor Center T.Rex and Raptor attack. And this is this is pretty big. And I can build very big stuff very fast. We got, of course, they're using a lot of stuff. A lot of these kind of stuff. And oh my word, this is a ton of things. That's it. And these are all the things, and let's get started. So I finished the visitor center, and it looks pretty good, actually. Like, I know you guys would want something bigger. Like, many of us would want a bigger visitor center. But hey, at least we got a visitor center. Like, we shouldn't complain. We got a visitor center. So, let me show you these stuff. So, we have Rexy. Here we have Rexy. Another T-Rex, but this is supposed to be Rexy, like JPOG Rexy. Like the other Rexes, I guess. No, but this is officially confirmed a Rexy T-Rex figure. And she is cool. And then you've got the same kind of velociraptor I get in the Raptor set, the Velociraptor Escape set. Alright. Pretty cool. And we got the characters, and a lot of the characters here. The four main characters, they've got different outfits now. It's from around the ending of the movie. So we've got Dr. Sattler. We got Dr. Sattler here in when she's surviving around the end of the movie, that their clothes are dirty and and stuff like that. And this is what, and of course she has the dual molded face, of course, like she got in the other text. And then you've got Alan Grant. Here he is, and he is in his surviving in his survivor when he, it's not survivor outfit, but when his survivor version, and he has mud and stuff on him, and he's got the hair, which is pretty cool. And then we've got Timmy with his shirt all muddied up and stuff like that. And that's why his shirt is a different color, because it got all muddy and dirty and stuff like that. And then you got Lex Murphy. And her thing is dirty too. From the ending of the movie too. And both Timmy and Lex, they can change their faces. They have dual molded faces because they use the usual white skin child face. And then you've got Dr. Henry Wu in his Jurassic Park counterpart when he first appeared in the Jurassic universe. When he first appeared on screen, and this is what he looks like. Basically, this is Dr. Wu. He's in this outfit, and he has two faces. This face, and then he's got this face, that smirk, scientific, like, smirk. Like he's gonna do some things. And then you've got Ray Arnold again. And this is when it's like when the park is shutting down, and he takes his coat off, and he has his tie untied, and this is like when he was dressed up when he said, "Hold on to your butts." So, and he has this face. It's like a nervous, like smile or expression. And then you've got Ray Arnold with a terrified face. So we get him again. And then we have the T-Rex skeleton from Jurassic Park. And this is the T-Rex skeleton that brutally gets destroyed by Rexy when she froze the raptor, froze the raptor at the skeleton, and makes the skeleton crash and crumble and fall against the stairs, and then that iconic scene, so it happens, the ending scene. And then we've got the visitor center, and it's amazing to see the visitor center. You got the iconic look to it, which is real cool that they do this. Has the iconic look to it, the iconic door area, the skeleton mural over there. And we go inside. So if you look inside, in this area, this is like the laboratory and laboratory and computer area here. This is kind of like basically talking about the like giving you a reference to the scene when they see a baby raptor hatch for the first time in the movie. And you've got an amber piece. You got mystery DNA in the corner here. There's Mr. DNA. You probably see him. He's right there. And then we go to this side, and this is like the not kitchen area, but it's like the dining area. And this is the table where Tim and Lex eat. And right behind here is their famous raptor mural in that famous iconic scene when they hear something and then they look and see the raptor's shadow go over the raptor mural, and then they say, "Oh, oh my word!" and they run into the kitchen, and that's how the iconic kitchen scene happens, and that's pretty cool. And then you've got the main promenade area, area right here, and the cool thing about this area is it has an interesting feature. So at the ending of the movie, this mural falls down. When dinosaurs walked the earth, this thing can fall down. And it can be like, oh, the T-Rex is making the mural fall. You can recreate that iconic scene at the ending of Jurassic Park. And pretty cool. And you also, in the cake here, another frog Easter egg to how the dinosaurs are made again. And that is all. And thanks for watching. And bye-bye.